Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again very creative and unique because I am sharing a wide variety of design ideas that how you can design your dresses with the help of hand art, with the help of hand embroidery, with the help of handwork, with the help of needlework. Yes, friends. All you have to do is just follow these patterns, just follow this color combination and design a very beautiful designer style outfit of yours by sitting at your homes. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that we could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, as all of you could see that all of these patterns are trendy, stylish and amazing at the same time. They are very easy to make. A beautiful and exquisite eye-catchy color contrast of threads have been used to make extremely eye-catchy, simple and easy design patterns for hand embroidery beginners, and they gives a creative look of 3D embroidery patterns. You can decorate these designs along with the use of beads, pearls and many more different types of materialistic items that could be sewn onto the dress or the fabric with the help of needle. The thread which you can use for these making flowers and hand embroidery articles is anchor, DMC, and even you can use wool or silky threads as well. The beauty of these design patterns is that you can use these very beautiful and creative design ideas for machine embroidery, digital computer embroidery and many more creativities as well. So I hope that you have really liked my ideas, you have liked my suggestions, and you will do follow them. And if you really like them, then don't forget to leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. With this guys, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end and stay tuned for the latest upcoming new videos. And you can make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your peplum dresses, onto the necklines of your gowns, onto the neckline of your shirts, sweatshirts, kurti, frocks, many more creative hand knitted warm woolen shirts, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos as well. So I hope all of these ideas are very much creative and unique. You can also design your teenager girls dresses, your baby girls ranging from 9 to 10, 8 to 9, 11 to 12 years of age. The all ethnic, stylish and very beautiful elegant patterns would look creatively amazing. So do try these patterns and watch our new upcoming latest more videos to get more creative ideas. Until then, take care and stay blessed.